Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I wanted to show you this Eco Laundry detergent sheets. This is the Violet Hour lavender scent. There are 40 sheets in the package, so that would be 40 loads of laundry. I like these sheets simply because as I get older, laundry detergent jugs get heavier. So I'll open it and show you the sheets. It's a nice thick sheet. The scent is nice, and it comes in other scents as well. You don't worry about spilling laundry detergent. There's no mess, there's no clutter. This stores nicely in your laundry cabinet. There's no measure, you just put it in your laundry. There's no waste. It is cruelty-free, plant-based. So I really like it, and the lavender scent is not overpowering at all. So I'm just going to put it in this water, and it dissolves quickly. And you just put it in. Wow, this one dissolves really fast. So you don't have the buildup of laundry detergent. And it's dissolving nicely. So I would highly recommend them. They're Glory Days Eco Laundry Detergent Sheets. This is the lavender scent. And again, it's 40 sheets, 40 loads of laundry. It's cruelty-free, plastic-free, biodegradable, all that good stuff that we look for in products nowadays. So I would highly recommend them. I hope you'll give them a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.